To enable wireless power sharing, to use your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to charge other devices, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care and then tap battery. Scroll down the screen, tap wireless power sharing and then tap the gray on off switch to turn it on. When the switch turns blue, it means that the wireless power sharing feature is on. When the wireless power sharing feature is on, now your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is ready to share its power to charge another device. All you need to do is just put the center of your phone back to back with another device. As the example, we will try with another Samsung phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S10. You can see that the phone starts charging. As a note, if you have trouble connecting or charging is too slow, try to remove any cover from its device. Also, this feature works with most key compatible devices. However, different devices may charge at different speed. Now, let's try to use this feature with other device. Here I have Samsung Watch 5. Put the device back to back. You can see that the watch start charging. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.